Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix profile transfer feature. To use the Netflix profile transfer feature, all you have to do is hover over your profile icon in the top right corner, then select account, then click transfer profile under the Profiles and Parental Controls section, and follow the prompts to move your data to new or existing account. This feature allows you to keep your personalized recommendations, viewing history, my list, and saved games intact when changing accounts. Now, to transfer a profile, all you have to do is open Netflix on a web browser, then sign in to the account holding the profile. Then go to the Netflix account page by clicking your profile icon, then scroll to the Profile and Parental Controls, then click the profile you want to move. From there, click the transfer link next to the transfer profile. Then select whether to move it to a new account or existing account. Now, once you do so and complete your setup by entering the email and password for the target account, and all you have to do is tap on that confirm button and your profile will be moved safely to another account. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.